Hey guys, in this video, we are given a tent which is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a cone. That is, this cylinder is surmounted by a cone of same diameter, and if the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 3 meter respectively, that is, this height is 2.51 meter and this diameter is 3 meter, and the slant height of the conical part is 2.8 meter. We need to find the cost of canvas needed to make such tent if the canvas is available at the rate of rupees 500 per square meter. So we just basically need to calculate the lateral surface area of cylinder and cone and then add them. So the formula for this lateral surface area for the cylinder is 2 pi rh. The lateral surface area is also known as circular surface area. 2 pi rh is the formula for cylinder, and for cone it is pi rl and pi rl. So the radius of the cylinder is 1.5 because 3 meter is the diameter which is given to us, and the height of the cylindrical part is 2.1. Similarly, for cone the radius is 1.5 and the slant height is given as 2.8 meter. And if we solve this, then we get the area of canvas needed is 33 meter square. And if we want to find out the cost, we just need to multiply it with 500, which will give us the answer as 16500 rupees.